Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WebPageTest for SEO performance comparisons. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for WebPageTest. Press enter on your keyboard. Once the site loads, look for the login button. Click on the login button in the upper right corner. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check your credentials for accuracy. Click the login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your dashboard. Here, you can access your previous tests and performance data. To perform a new test, click on the Test the Water button. Enter the URL of the website you wish to test. Customize your test settings if needed. Select your desired browser and connection speed. Once everything is set, click the Start Test button. Wait for the test to complete. Review your results once the test is finished. You can now use this data for your SEO performance comparisons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.